Bonjour tourists, welcome to beautiful Paris, the city of light. My name is Kio Alcones and I'll be your tour guide today as we explore the incredible history, culture, and charm that make Paris one of the most beloved cities in the world. Before we start, just a quick reminder, please stay close to the group, keep your belongings secure, and let me know if you need any assistance during the tour. And here we are, the icon of Paris itself, La Tour Eiffel, built in 1889 for the World's Fair. It was once the tallest structure in the world. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, it was actually considered an eyesore by many Parisians when it was first unveiled. We'll stop here for 20 minutes. If you're heading up, don't forget the view from the top is absolutely worth it. And for those staying below, grab a cafe and enjoy the gardens of the Champ de Mars. Next, we arrived at the magnificent Notre Dame de Paris. Construction began in 1163 and it took over 180 years to complete. It's a masterpiece of French Gothic architecture with flying buttresses, gargoyles, and stunning stained glass windows. You might know it from Victor Hugo's novel The Hunchback of Notre Dame, which helped save it from demolition in the 18th. Please note, restoration is ongoing after the 2019 fire, but the facade in the area around it are still stunning to explore. Now, prepare to meet the world's most famous smile, the Mona Lisa, inside the Louvre Museum. Once a royal palace, this museum is now home to over 35,000 works of art, including masterpieces by Da Vinci, Delacroix, and Michelangelo. Time to relax and recharge. We'll stop here near Luxembourg Garden where you'll find plenty of cafes, bakeries, and restaurants. You're on vacation, after all. If you're short on time, I recommend heading straight for the Denon Wing. It's where you'll find the Mona Lisa, Winged Victory of Samothrace, and the coronation of Napoleon. Welcome to Montmartre, the bohemian heart of Paris. This hilltop neighborhood was once home to artists like Picasso, Monet, and Toulouse-Lautrec. It still has the creative vibe today. We'll make our way up to Basilica of Sacré-Cœur. It's one of the highest points in the city, offering an amazing panoramic view. And don't miss the place, the Tetrade nearby. It's full of street artists who sketch your portrait in minutes. As we wrap up our tour today, I hope you felt the magic of Paris, its romance, its stories, and its style. If you have any question or need tips for the rest of your stay, I'll be happy to help. Thank you for joining me today. Merci beaucoup. Enjoy the rest of your time in Paris, and remember, Paris is always a good idea.